property video presentation of 1055 Reserve Creek Road, Reserve Creek. What we have on offer here is a house and a studio workshop on 5.5 acres of land with a creek running through it, approximately 11 kilometres from Cabarita Beach, northern New South Wales. If you've seen an earlier video of this, we couldn't show you the workshop or studio. However, this video does include it at the end. Here's the house taken from inside the 6-foot high fence that surrounds the front of the property. We step into a rumpus room to the front of the property, and then as we go inside, you step into the living room. In fact, you'll see the living room is tiled. In fact, the whole house is tiled. There's no carpets at all, so easy care, low maintenance living. Go across the lounge. There's a family room off the kitchen. Kitchen is well equipped with a corner pantry, dishwasher as well. Unknown whether that's staying. We'll know in the next few weeks. Going outside, fenced backyard. Another view of the rear of the property here. We'll come back and we'll show you that in a minute. As we step back out inside, go across the lounge room, we go into a hallway. To the right hand side of the hallway is a laundry. We'll show you that in a sec. Main bedroom here. As you can see, split system air conditioners in most rooms, in fact virtually every room. Ensuite bathroom, walk-in robe. We'll spin around here. Here's the laundry off to one side. Then from here we'll go through the other second and third bedroom. Both of them have air conditioners on the wall, both of them have built-ins as well. Adjacent to these two bedrooms is the bathroom. So bath, separate shower, separate toilet, linen presser adjacent to that again. And off the living and family room off the kitchen, there's another enclosed sunroom here. And off that, a good sized entertaining area. Unknown whether that spa works or not, we'll determine that in the next few weeks. Another area here off to the western side of that carport, which is the main car parking for the house. Fruit trees in the backyard. And the far boundary is beyond those trees that you can see in the distance. There's a creek where those trees are, and the boundary line is that there's a set of pine trees beyond, about 30 metres beyond that creek. We've returned another day. It's been a sunnier day that we've returned to show you the studio workshop. Let's have a look inside. As we go inside, you step into a living area, air conditioner as well. In this living room, and there's also another one in one of the bedrooms. There's a kitchen, ceiling fans, plenty of them, I think 4 in this living area. 2 bedrooms off to one end. Both of them have built-ins. It's a council requirement that this actually can't be used as a residence, so as such there is no bathroom. Anyone using this studio/workshop will have to use the bathroom facilities inside the main house. A previous owner, he used to be a dog breeder, so she's got 3 pens here that she used to keep her dogs warm of a winter's night. And there's 3 areas here, like outdoor areas, fenced off for their dogs. And from here we'll just have a look and go along. Here at the end of it there's a lean-to, probably suitable only for trailer parking. Very difficult to get a car in here because there is a hot water system one end. So it's trailer parking or storage, it'd be fine. If you'd like more information on this property, then please visit us online at salesandrentals.com.au or all the major portals, where you can also find out inspection times and register for inspections as well.